not to be accepted, but for the deposit to be deposited into the listing broker's trust account.
If lawyers are not involved. Or they then jump into next paragraph, fourth line. Fifth line. If the property was sold.
If the property was sold without a broker, the deposit is usually paid to the seller's lawyer in trust. In either case, the recipient
seller's trust account, not buyer trust account. So you are a seller. I have to buy a property. I have a money. So money gonna go into in the seller trust account. If lawyer, if brokerage is involved, then
into
listing brokerage. Okay. Okay, that's it. This is sufficient. Red flag, we already knew red flag. Red flag, we're gonna deal next time. Okay, then VTB. Do you know VTB?
vendor take back mortgage.
Yes. Okay. Okay, vendor take back mortgage. In general, okay, just hold on. Okay, just hold on. VTB is always is very important. It's okay because these are basic concept. We need to know what is VTB. Yeah, why you are not asking me? I asked VTB. Everyone knew. No, ask me 100 times a day. Call me Monday, please. If you need my help, I'll be here Monday. Just call me. Yeah, because if you whole structure is very important. Yeah, because we. Yeah, VTB. Yeah. VTB vendor take back. Okay, so it's very important. Whatever I'm telling you, must focus on that. Whatever I'm telling is everything is very important. Okay. All the time I'm not gonna say is so please. Last paragraph. If the buyer is who is a buyer? Who you are? Seller. Make a picture. Who is she?
Seller.
I'm a buyer. If the buyer
is also obtaining first mortgage loan from a bank, then the agreement must address two other issues. First, it must describe the VTB mortgage as a second mortgage. Second, it must set out the basic terms of first mortgage to which the VTB mortgage will be subject.
What's that mean?
So the VTB mortgage is a second.
First responsibility. Bank.
Have to pay to the bank.
So VTB is a second
mortgage.
If anything gonna be happen, see, VTB is a on high risk. Okay. This is now highlighted next 3 lines. The larger
the principal amount of the first mortgage relative to the total price, the riskier the VTB loan becomes for the seller. So the principal amount and other terms of the first mortgage may become.
So don't worry about it. What's that mean? Larger the principal amount of the first mortgage relative to the total price. Riskier the VTB loan mortgage. Riskier. VTB is more riskier. What's that mean?
It means that there's less equity in the property. So there's the first.
I'll give you example.
Bank with the first might satisfy the bank's value and the
okay
may be empty.
Buy a property. Your property worth is $1 million. $1 million. $600,000 bank gonna give it to me. 6. Okay, that's it. So rest of the $400,000 VTB. Second mortgage. If I'm gonna go into bankruptcy,
Bank
first. Then leftover you gonna get it. There was the general principle. Second, if okay, low riskier because bank has 600,000, he has $400,000. Okay, 400. If amount is more $700,000, he's on more risk. $800,000 more risk. $900,000 more risk. Because property was $1 million, if property gonna decrease 1 million to 900, bank gonna take all money. See, more riskier. Highly chances property would be decreased, so bank gonna take that money. So less principal amount, less risk. More principal amount, more risk. You got it? I know. It's a उठा करके है. मतलब क्या है? I know it's the other way. How I'm gonna explain?
What do you mean? I didn't understand myself. What are you
Okay.
saying?
You didn't take the vendor take back mortgage, is that what you want to explain?
No,
Yes.
You understood that?
No,
Okay,
he's saying
just
something else.
okay.
When the
Okay.
property is liquidated, the first right.
Not for me, right there. He'll explain to me as well.
So you can explain to her.
He
Go ahead,
did.
you're about.
So when the property is liquidated, the first right is with bank. So bank will get all the money. If nothing is left, then the second mortgager gets nothing.
It's more
Since the
riskier.
person doesn't have money.
Oh, just hold on. No, okay. Just hold on. Odd example. Okay, just odd example. You will not gonna forget. He's my brother. Brother, I need $1,000. I need $1,000. I have to buy this one. He's giving me $1,000. Again, I'm gonna ask. I need $500 more. If you're gonna say he already took $1,000 from his brother, so first he has a priority. How are you gonna return my? You understand? How are you gonna return my money? $500. Okay. The second option. Okay. 1,000. No, brother, I need $2,000. I need money from $1,000 from you. If you're gonna say, principal amount is more increasing. Okay, you wanna borrow money? You wanna borrow money? How much money did you borrow from him? $1,000? How are you gonna return my money? Or $2,000? How are you gonna return my money? $5,000 you already borrow from the first principal. I would not give you because I'm more riskier. You understand? I'm a broker. Okay. I'm your brother. I have 3 sisters. You have 2 sisters. Okay. 1 and 1. Sister, I need $1,000. She gave it to me. You already knew. You're going to give me $500. It's okay. That's fine. $500. Still, you will understand. First, he has a priority. You're going to say he already borrowed $1,000. You are little riskier. Now the second option. I need $5,000. Okay. What do you think? Then again, I'm going to came to you are my sister. I need $2,000 or $3,000. You will, what first thought? He already bought $5,000. Okay. 5,000? No, we need $20,000. Then I'm going to ask, give me a $5,000. Can you give it to me? You will more riskier. You got it? The real picture, jump into the real picture.
So the bank always gets number 1 priority though.
All the property applications. You need to understand vendor take back mortgage person.
So
You got it?
always gets number 1 priority though, right?
Yeah, even okay. Aslan bhai, okay. Do you wanna borrow the money from me? I'm a principal of I'm a second party. Hey man, you already borrow the money from third person. How are you gonna return my money?
Her issue
Her
issue isn't here. Her issue is first of all vendor take back mortgage. She's stuck there.
Okay.
So I'll explain it to her after the class.
Now I'm gonna explain. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Sir, who you are? Seller. I have to buy a property. Property worth is $1 million. How I'm gonna afford $1 million? Where I'm gonna go? Bank. Bank. I need a loan. Bank is giving me a $800,000. $800,000 mortgage. Property is
1 million.
So can he buy a property?
No.
So for remaining $200,000, lender B. You are a lender B. Ma'am, I need
No, it would be me.
Sorry. Forgive me. मैं भी next time आप लोगों को पीछे से
That's okay. He was going on a good road, guys. You would have understood.
Yeah.
Okay, because I was okay. So she's a seller. She gonna say, okay, you know what? Don't worry about it. So you gonna
I can give you $200,000.
yeah. So loan $2,000, $800,000, $2,000. Put take my that's it. So more amount, more riskier. That's it.
First, you take the money from the vendor. right? No matter who's selling it, the seller, who's selling it, you borrow the money from them.
अच्छा
And of course, that amount is riskier.
Makes sense.
The bank is going to take it first. That's the
किसना आप
first.
सब लोग पीछे पड़ जाते हो बच्चे की जान लोगे
Actually, I
हाँ,
don't-
okay.